Okay, me and Lori made another song to hurry up and listen to it because we don't have much time. And action.
Amazing. Yes, yes, no, no, yes, yes.
And that's called, what do we call that?
The scream.
The scream. The shit scream.
Yeah, that was awesome. Yeah.
I love that last.
The scream.
It's the best.
Yeah.
Save.
That's why I told you to put at the end.
There we go. We saved it. Goodbye.